Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 31st, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the pound dollar has been pretty sideways ever since last Thursday when we made this nice impulsive movement up. To me, it looks like we are going to get another move to the downside when it's ready. The daily time frame did give us a break of structure, and most other dollar pairs also did too. So you would expect to see some sort of a 1, 2, 3 pattern down to a Fibonacci level before we ended up continuing the uptrend. We have to be a little bit cautious in these situations though, because sometimes what you think is going to end up doing this will actually just make a little pullback and just keep on trending up. So we do have to be careful with our shorts. But going down to the 1 hour time frame, it seems very clear that it made three waves up and it made 1, 2, 3 waves down with a lower high. Three waves down, lower high, and then impulsive up with a higher high makes me think expanding flat for sure. So if it really is an expanding flat, then maybe it will go back up and retest the highs at the 78%. Maybe it won't. I know that I'm waiting for a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, whether it makes a lower high or whether it goes back up to the 78% and tests this high. I have no idea. By either scenario, when it does make a nice engulfing move to the downside, it should be pretty obvious that the correction is over, and we should take that as a sorting opportunity potentially for the continuation down, which I think is going to be a wave C. I think this is an A. I think it's an expanding flat wave B, and I think eventually we will make another push down for a big wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.